On a modern manufacturing floor, industrial robots, collaborative robots, and mobile robots are all connected and work together seamlessly to achieve complex tasks. Industrial robots handle heavy-duty, repetitive operations with precision and speed. Collaborative robots, or cobots, safely work side by side with human operators, enhancing flexibility and productivity. Mobile robots efficiently transport materials and components across the factory, ensuring a smooth and continuous workflow. This interconnected network of robots communicates in real time, coordinating their actions to optimize efficiency and reduce downtime. Through advanced sensors and integrated systems, these robots share data, adapt to changes, and work in perfect harmony. The result is an intelligent, adaptive, and highly productive manufacturing environment, setting a new standard for operational excellence.